Arunachal Pradesh, in India's far northeast, is called the land of the dawn-lit mountains. Here, the first sun touches India, revealing a land of high mountains, deep valleys, and rushing rivers. Bordered by Bhutan, China, and Myanmar, it's a crossroads of cultures and landscapes. Its remoteness has preserved a unique world where nature and tradition thrive together. Two hidden gems here are Mechuka and Ziro Valley, living stories cradled by hills and filled with peace. Mechuka, near the China border, means medicinal water of snow. It's a remote paradise of meadows, snow-capped peaks, and the gentle Siom River. Ziro Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the Apatani people, who live in harmony with lush rice paddies and pine-covered hills. These valleys are journeys into a world where humans and nature coexist in rare balance. Getting here is an adventure, but the reward is a landscape and culture untouched by time. Ziro is a living lesson in sustainability, where every corner tells a story. In Arunachal Pradesh, the extraordinary waits for those willing to seek it. Mechuka's scenery is a living painting, rolling green hills, thick forests, and the crystal-clear Siom River winding through. Wooden bridges draped in prayer flags connect villages, adding to the valley's charm. Ziro Valley's beauty is both natural and crafted, a patchwork of rice paddies and fish ponds, perfected by the Apatani over centuries. Pine and bamboo forests surround the fields, creating a striking contrast of greens. Rivers here are lifelines, calm and gentle or rushing with energy, always vital to daily life. The forests are ancient, filled with towering trees, orchids, and bamboo, supporting a rich web of life. Walking these woods feels like entering another world, where filtered sunlight and the scent of wildflowers fill the air. These forests are the lungs of the region, keeping the environment in balance. In Mechuka and Ziro, nature's artistry is everywhere, inviting you to slow down and breathe. The valleys are a testament to the harmony between people and the land. These valleys are sanctuaries for rare wildlife thriving in peace. In Mechuka's forests, you might glimpse a red panda or the elusive mishmitakin, perfectly adapted to the mountains. The skies are alive with rare birds, Blythe's tragopan, majestic hornbills, making this a paradise for birdwatchers. Ziro and Mechuka's biodiversity is extraordinary, with orchids and medicinal plants unique to the region. The Apatani use a special thornless bamboo for everything from homes to crafts, a vital part of their culture. Blue pines cover the hills, framing the rice paddies in Ziro. These valleys are living laboratories, showing the importance of conservation. Every plant and animal here tells a story of adaptation and survival. Protecting this biodiversity is key to preserving the region's magic. Mechuka is home to the Member tribe, whose lives revolve around Tibetan Buddhist monasteries and a deep respect for the land. Their wooden and stone houses are built for the harsh winters, and prayer flags flutter across the valley. In Ziro, the Apatani people are known for their sustainable farming and unique traditions, like facial tattoos and nose plugs, symbols of identity. Apatani society is tightly knit, with festivals like Myoko and Dri celebrating community, friendship, and harvest. Losa, the Tibetan New Year, fills Mechuka with music, dance, and color. Food is central. Thupa noodle soup, momos, and apong rice beer bring people together. Sharing a meal here is sharing a way of life. The people's connection to land and tradition is visible in every ritual and celebration. These communities show how ancient customs and modern life can coexist. Their stories are woven into the very fabric of the valleys. Mechuka and Ziro remain untouched by mass tourism. No big hotels, no crowds, just pristine landscapes. The air is pure, the water clean, and life moves at a gentle pace. Local communities preserve their traditions, farming and storytelling, undisturbed by outside influence. The valley's tranquility is a rare gift, inviting visitors to slow down and reconnect with nature. The lack of tourism protects delicate ecosystems. Forests, rivers, and wildlife thrive undisturbed. Here, silence is profound, broken only by birdsong or the wind. The journey itself filters out casual tourists, attracting true travelers who value authenticity. Sustainable tourism benefits locals without harming what makes these places special. The peace of Mechuka and Ziro is their greatest treasure. It's a sanctuary that must be carefully guarded for the future. Visiting Mechuka and Ziro comes with responsibility. We are guests in a fragile world. Respect local culture. Ask before taking photos, dress modestly, and greet with kindness. Protect the environment. Leave no trace. Avoid plastics. Stick to trails and never disturb wildlife. Support the local economy. Stay in homestays, buy crafts from artisans, and eat at local restaurants. Every choice helps preserve the valley's beauty and supports the community. Listen to local stories, learn about their bond with nature, and approach with humility. Be curious but also a good listener. Connection is more valuable than souvenirs. By traveling gently, we become ambassadors of goodwill. Our footprints should be light, our memories deep. The valley's future depends on the respect of every visitor. Let's ensure these wonders endure for generations to come. Mechuka and Ziro Valley are more than destinations. They're experiences for the soul. They remind us that wild, pure places still exist, offering a slower, more connected way of life. The mountains call with a gentle whisper, inviting you to witness harmony between nature and humanity. This is an adventure for those seeking authenticity, not luxury. Come with curiosity, respect, and a promise to protect what you find. The rewards are immeasurable, breathtaking beauty, warm people, and stories that stay with you. Let your journey here be one of discovery and wonder. The unseen world of Arunachal, Pradesh awaits, ready to be explored, understood, and cherished. Take the first step into the land of the dawn-lit mountains.